Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share 5 crucial tips to help you harness the power of research in your learning journey. At the end of the video I'll also provide some guidance to more useful resources. Let's start with tip number 1. Understanding the importance of research. It's important to learn straight away that research is the backbone of academic excellence and professional growth. In the field of social work, staying informed about the latest studies, theories and practices is essential for effective problem solving and informed decision making. Tip number 2 is all about navigation. Familiarise yourself with the university's library resources and learn how to use the catalogue, online databases and other resources available at the library. And remember that librarians are your allies in this journey. They can help you locate credible sources and refine your research strategies. Now let's dive into tip number 3. Developing effective research strategies. Always start with a clear research question or topic. Use keywords to search for relevant sources and consider using advanced search techniques to narrow down results. Then filter sources based on credibility, relevance and publication date. Tip number 4 is about critical analysis. Don't just skim through sources, engage deeply with the content. Then evaluate the author's credibility and the research methodology that they've used, and then the validity of their findings. Make sure to consider biases and potential limitations of the research. Developing a critical eye will enhance the quality of the information you integrate into your studies. Lastly, tip number 5. Incorporating research into assignments. As a social work student, research should be seamlessly woven into your assignments and projects. Use evidence-based research to support your arguments, provide context and offer practical solutions. This will elevate the quality of your work and demonstrate your commitment to informed practice. And there you have it. 5 essential tips to help you master research skills as a social work student. Remember that research empowers you with knowledge and insights that can drive positive change in the lives of those you serve. By adopting these strategies, you'll be better equipped to excel academically and professionally. I've added some links below to some useful resources. Let me know if you found this video useful, and send me any ideas you have for any future videos I can create by leaving a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with fellow students who are eager to enhance their research skills. Thank you for watching, and remember that research is the cornerstone of informed and impactful practice. Until next time, take good care and I'll see you soon. Bye.